TFNN. Headline News Update.
Good afternoon, everybody. I'm Tommy O'Brien, coming to you live from TFNN headquarters in Clearwater, Florida, 2 p.m. Eastern Time. 2 hours left to go in Monday trading. Let's take a look at the markets. It's a relatively mixed day. Dow Jones in positive territory, up 17 points, trading at 24,328. S&P's negative by 8 points, trading at 2662. And the NASDAQ negative by 22 points, trading at 7,097. Got the oil market up 82 cents, approaching $69, and the gold contract down $4, trading at $13.1890, but that gold contract was much lower earlier in the session. Let's jump over to the Nadex platform, check in on some of the futures markets. And before we do, so part of that oil action out there is you have Netanyahu out there. Iran had secret Project Ahmad to design, produce, and test warheads. So you have that news coming out. It's been making its way around the headlines this morning. And as we jump over, we don't normally, but there's your crude market. So where did we get to a high? High 69.33. Pretty remarkable in crude. As tensions may be on the rise, that's the speculation, and you see some appreciation in the price of crude, just under $69. Dow 30, quite a remarkable downslide across most of the major indices. Dow is up there around the opening bell at 24,450. From there, about 200 points lower, 24,253. NASDAQ 100, similar action. Highs around the open, call it 10 a.m. up there at 67.17. Currently, we're about 90 points below that level, and we had traded all the way down to about 6,600. So we're 27 points off the low we made at about 1 p.m. Eastern Time this afternoon. S&P 500, again, similar action. Most of the indices declining throughout the day, getting a little bit of a bid in the last hour, but pretty marginal. S&P 500 trading at 2660. There's your crude oil contract, as we discussed, just under $69. Gold contract getting a bid, $13.19, showing down $4 for the day, but we're approaching some pretty critical levels in gold, $13.10. We were down there, rebounding nicely throughout most of the trading day. And Bitcoin with some slight volatility as well, pretty tight trading range in Bitcoin in context of where those cryptos can usually trade. Bitcoin trading 93.28. Stay tuned. We got our man David White coming up right now at the Power Trading Hour. Should be an interesting finish to the trading day. And of course, Tom O'Brien wraps things up live at 3 till 5 p.m. Eastern Time this afternoon. Have a great day, everybody.